Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $33.8340. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a U pattern is forming in this particular trend level. Okay, a level of around 30.15 is a buy situation, which I have already explained you in my previous video. Okay, it has made a high of around, because this particular pattern was supporting this trend, high of around 34.8. I have seen a profit booking has come, making a low of around 28.7, and then again started going upside. See, there is a good volatility we have seen in the price of silver. So whenever, see, this is the zone, this is how it is moving. So probability can be half the price sustain this level. We can see it can touch this particular level of 37 also, and can from there a bounce back can come if it started moving in this zone. As if this trend breaks, we can see there can be a further upside, because if you look at this trend, we have seen a high of around 49. Okay, so probability can be high that if the price keep moving above this level, probability of touching a level of around 37 we can see, and once started moving above this level, because we have seen this level in 2011, so chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, but if the price started falling below this particular level, a level of 32.7, because this is a strong support, so we can see a bounce back, but if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at the dollar index, what we can see, if you look at the dollar index now trading at a level of $103.7. Okay, and a swing has formed. So suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of 104, and if the price keep moving above this level, a probability of going towards 104.8 will be there. Okay, and once the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 105.2 will be there. Okay, and once the price started going above that particular level, and this 105 is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further high, and it will touch a level of 106.5, and then a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $107. So when I'm telling you that the dollar index started going upside, keep this in mind, that there is a higher chance that silver comes down or gold comes down. Okay, but if the dollar index started going down, we can see the silver price will go up, similarly the gold, crude and natural gas. Okay, but it is not always right or always there. So whenever suppose they both moves in same direction. Okay, sometimes they both moves in same direction, and even in the downside. So what you can do best is put your SL whenever you start to trade. This is the important thing that you have to do. Okay, and once you start in profit, try to trail it, so your profit will be saved. Okay, now coming back again on the silver price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are very high, because this pattern is supporting this particular trend. So if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside, and yes, after that what we can see, the price will go further high towards a level of around $34.13, and if the price sustain above this level, we can see the price will go towards a level of 34.5. Okay, if the price moving above that particular level, chances are high it will go towards a level of $34.9. If that sustain, we will see the price will go further upside, and yes, from there a further high we can see towards a level of $35.42. Okay, if the price sustain above that level, we will see the price will go towards 35.7, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $37 after crossing a level of $35.7. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, as I've already explained you, market is uncertain, so you have to understand. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see a next support coming at a level of 33.6. From there a bounce back can come, but if that didn't sustain, we will see it will fall towards 33.4. Suppose if the price started falling below a level of 33.4, we will see the price will go further down towards a level of $33.2, and from there a further fall we can see towards 32.7. Suppose if the price started falling below 32.7, a chance of touching 32.53 we can see, and if the price started falling below that level, a probability of touching $32.3 is there. Okay, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see it will go further down towards a level of 31.7, and if that didn't sustain a further fall, we can see towards a level of $31. Okay, suppose if the price started falling below a level of 31, a probability of touching a level of 30.5 to a level of 30.1 we can see. So you have to understand, as soon as the price started going below a level of 31, chances are high the price will go towards a level of 31.5 to a level of 31.3, and then we can see it will go towards 30.7 to a level of around $30, and once started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. And understand that whenever you start in profit, try to trail it. If you trail your SL, your profit will be safe. That is very important. Okay, don't try to overtrade. Whenever you find the time, like suppose this is the trend and you're making money on this particular trend, try to analyze it and try to do it in that particular trade only, because see, if you continuously trade, then there will be chances that you can lose your money. So you have to understand how to save your capital as well as your profit. Okay, if you want a workshop, you can mail me regarding that, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you new too much